Hi, it's John at Just Go Drive and welcome to our review of the 2020 Ford Explorer ST. Thanks to the Western Automotive Journalists for organising the day, and thanks to Page One for supplying the car. Now, the most memorable part of a day when I drove 20 cars was this Explorer ST. It's a 400 horsepower 3-row SUV with a sport mode. Now, it seems like a contradiction in terms, but there really is a market for these things. You need to think of it sort of like a muscle car, a muscle SUV version of a Porsche Macan or a Porsche Cayenne or a BMW X5. I test drove it with Mike Musto from Hot Rod magazine. Before we were even out of the car park, he put it into sport mode. The test route was in California and it was on super twisty roads. On these roads, the car really was fun. Guttural, throttle response, not too wallowy in the turns. You could use it for the school run as well. And you could tow with it. It had a lovely interior. The stitching on the leather seats really was quite nice. So overall, there was an awful lot to like. But my word, the price was scary. And it had the usual Ford cheap glove box. Would have looked perfectly, wouldn't have looked out of place on my 1990 Ford Sierra Sapphire gear. So overall, I really liked the car. It's fun to drive, memorable, and it really did deserve the ST badge. And who would have thought you could say that about a 3-row SUV?